Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how you can create a YouTube intro for your YouTube channel videos. So we're making use of the canva.com website to do this, all for free. So let's get started. To create or generate a YouTube intro video for your channel, all you have to do is navigate to the Canva website. This is where we are now. So when you're on the Canva website, click on create a design button here, so click on that. So you have a list down, so among the list click on video, as we are trying to create a video for okay, click on that, and then we have a pop-up. So this is a pop-up for us. So the pop-up page is where you can create a video. So let's start by changing the background color. The first thing is changing the background color. So the background color is let's choose light blue. So once you're done with that, now let's quickly go to element here. So you have a list of elements here you can use. So as for let's say we are creating a YouTube intro video for a YouTube channel that deals with relationship. So the first thing you have to do is start by searching relationship. So you can scroll below, scroll. So once you find one you like to use, so let's say we want to use this, you do that. So you drag to the middle. So now you have to find a text to use. So drag a text here, drag it, so rename the text relationship. Relationship ideas. So change the font. So we use Bantayo regular. So click on that. It should apply. So meanwhile, let's change the color. I think we should go for white. Yeah, white color. So that's great. So you move this to the middle or to the center. So here it is in the middle. So now you can try rearranging, bring this down a bit to the middle. So it's all right. So we have that ready. So now let's look into the next one. So let's look into the animation part. So you animate the element. So for the element, we'll be choosing pan. There are lots of animations there. So we're using pan. This is smooth. So let's use that. So you can also choose to animate for both on enter or on exit. On enter is when the animation comes in. On exit is when it exits the page. So for both, for you to use animation on both, you have to click on both, but we'll be using only on enter. So you can make changes to the speed if you are a pro plan, because the crown is here. So you you have to be a pro user for you to do that. So now let's get back to the basics. So now that you have given in an animation, so let's give the text an animation too. We'll be using rise. That's smooth. Look at that. So let's use an on enter. So make sure it's there. So now let's change the timing. 5 seconds is too long, so let's give it a 2 second. Yeah, seconds. Yeah, that's okay. Now let's preview what we have done so far. Play. Can you see it's smooth? So we might need to create like a 4 like 4 pages. So now let's click on duplicate. You right click on your mouse and click on duplicate. You can also use Ctrl D Ctrl D again, so it's easy. So we have 4 pages. So for the second page, we have to change what's on the page. So now let's say we're looking into motivation speech. So let's say motivational quotes. Yes, let's see that. So you change the word motivational quotes. Sorry, the English. So quotes. So we have that. So now look into that, and once you've done that, let's go back to elements. So you have to find an element that matches motivational quotes. So search for speech, something. So we have someone here, or you can use, yeah. So that's great. So you have to make sure it's in the center. Delete the previous and make sure this one is in the center. Yeah. So it's smooth. So let's go to the second page, the third page rather. So let's say. So now for the third page, we have to change the text to entertaining gists. So let's that entertaining gists. So we head over to the elements. Yeah, so let's click on talking. Talking is same as gists. So okay, we found ourselves one. So let's bring it here, drag. So we have to delete the existing one, drag to the center. Yeah, now it's there, it's all good now. So for the third part, yeah, for the fourth one, which is the last one, yes, you have to put in your site logo. So you have to upload. Click on upload here. So you upload the file. So I already have a file here I want to use. So click on that. It will be brought to the page. So it was done twice. So delete the second one. So you have to delete the existing one. So now you have to resize the logo. Let's say we're using this logo, so it's in the center. So all you have to do is just welcome to my channel. It depends on you. You can name it whatever you want to name it. So welcome to my channel. Yeah, so it's cool. I have to drag it way down. So it's cool this way. Now let's try and preview our what we have done so far. So let's move to the back. Okay, let's check it out. So as you can see, it's so smooth. So there are some changes we forgot to do to add. So let's play that again. So as you can see, these we didn't add animation to them. So you have to make sure you are adding animation. So as we're using pan for the animation for the elements, so let's say we use pan for these two, pan, these two have to use pan. Or you might make it more different, because that's the last page. Yes, last page, so you can make it pop up. So let's use pop up. So now let's preview again. You can see the difference. Okay, as you can see, that's different and more fun. So now we move on to the audio part to make it more entertaining and much fun to look. So we navigate to the upload section. Yeah. So we have images, videos, and audio. So we click on audio. So we are on audio. So for us to get a free or royalty free audio to use for our YouTube intro, so let's navigate to a website called Pixabay. So here you can get out intro or outro music for your YouTube. So that's for free too. So it's royalty intro or outro music, free one, so you can use it. So now let's test one out. Let's say we go to the soft beat. Let's try this out. As you can hear that's much more great. So now let's get to it. Download that. Yeah, it's downloading. Now it's downloaded. Now that we have downloaded the audio we needed, so navigate to the page. This is the page. So the find the music, this audio out. So we drag, so it will upload to Canva. So while it's uploading, just wait. So once it's done, we have to drag it to the main timeline. So it's done. So drag to the timeline. So it has been dragged to the timeline. So let's have a preview of that. So you can try to adjust. So it's adjustable. So it has been adjusted. So now let's preview the audio we have added. So let's see how it looks. As you can see, that was awesome. So you can do it to this way. You can create one you like. So you can also preview in the in a bigger, let's say, preview. This is so that was the preview. The Canva preview is not that good, so you can only know when you download. So let's download that. So click on share, and also it's down here. You can share with people to your Facebook page directly and other. So let's click on download. You choose the MP4 settings. So just click on download. Now it's fully downloaded. So let's preview it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Thank you.